Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is inhabitant. It's pronounced inhabitant, and it is spelt INHABITANT. Think in, then habit, and then ant. Inhabitant means a person or animal that lives in or occupies a place. For example, you could say the prisoner is an inhabitant of the prison, as this is where they live. Inhabitant comes from the Latin inhabitantem, meaning to dwell in. Its meaning is relatively the same today, as if you dwelled somewhere, it means that you stay there for an extended period of time, or you could live there. Shakespeare's tragic play Macbeth begins with Macbeth and his friend Banquo discovering 3 witches. It is Banquo who first describes the witches. In Act 1, Scene 3, he describes them as withered and wild unearthly beings that look not like the inhabitants of the earth, with skinny lips, chapped fingers, and beards. Through Banquo, Shakespeare uses the word inhabitants to show that these witches were supernatural and not like anything else on earth. Spooky, eh? Inhabitant is a noun. For example, you could say, the lion is often considered the fiercest inhabitant of the African savanna. An inhabitant is usually a living creature or human. Inhabitant is defined in the dictionary as a person or animal that lives in a particular place. Inhabitant synonyms include resident, occupant, occupier, dweller, settler, local, or native. Antonyms include alien, foreigner, immigrant, landlord, and stranger. See if you can notice any inhabitants today. Think about who inhabits your house. Impress your family by pointing this out today. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.